point you could file the tip a little bit.
I will.
Of course.
Ah! No!
It's a liquidy glue. Don't worry about it. Like, here, we can try and, like, wipe it in there, maybe.
It's okay, I'm gonna get...
Yep. Make sure you can still see the dude in there.
Yeah. You should be able to. Okay.
Focus. Oh. There we go. Now we got a good focus. Oh.
Oh no, we might need more. Although it does look kind of cool, like...
It does look kind of wicked.
Rip my child.
You leave it like that?
Yeah, I think so. I think it looks cool like
I think it does look cool like that.
Now I have to, like, pop bubbles. Oh, that looks cool.
Nice.
Oh,
Nice.
that turned out pretty.
Yeah, it did.
Ha!
Oh, nice. Oh, it's pretty.
That side might have to dry.
It's getting windy.
It's wet. Oh, that looks cool.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, yeah. The bottom's good. Alrighty, here's how they turned out. It's the smallest one.
I like your pin on top.
Yeah, it's glued on top. That was a necklace that my mother-in-law gave me.
Oh, it was a necklace. I thought it was a pin.
No, it was a necklace. So, yeah, the charm turned out really cool on this.
Almost has like a skeleton Slash, as in Guns N' Roses Slash.
And then I've got this ribbon that I glued around the sides to give it a more gothic look, because that's the way I like it. And it's just purple. Next largest is probably the most simple. I can get it open. There we go. So this one, I painted black, and then I took the lace.
On the focus. Okay, there we go.
And then I took the lace from my wedding that I used to make my wedding cloak, and I used it as a template, and I sprayed spray paint over it so it would get this like beautiful.
It's like a silver spray paint.
Yep. And then on the inside, I took this cheapy little crap purse that was probably for a 5-year-old, and I cut out the design so I could have it on the inside of the box. And I painted some sparkles on the inside that you can't really see, but I can see it, and that's what counts. So that one's pretty simple too. This one's super simple on the outside mostly. Painted this one black too, and then I glued down some gears and a plastic bat that I had got at the dollar store. And I then painted the whole thing black on top so that the gears would be the same color. And then I took the lace and laid that over top and spray painted the silver spray paint on top so we could get that look. And then this one's super special because it has the guy who died by hollow. I'm going to call him Herman, and he drowned in the fabulousness that is hollow. That's resin, and it's hardened, so he's stuck in there. He's not moving. Sparkle. He's got like one hand stuck out that's like, hurt me, free me.
I feel like the phone's really not doing the inside hollow justice. You can get faint, glimpses of its majesty.
I basically took resin hardener and mixed it together. This was my first time doing it, so it's not bad. And then I added glitter, just black. It said black glitter, but it straight up looked purple, so we're gonna go with it. So I guess this is what would happen to Dracula if he got the sunlight. He would just melt into goop.
So these are your coffin boxes.
These are the coffin boxes, and they're gonna turn out. They turned out pretty cool. These two I can actually put stuff in. Who knows what I'll put in there, but this one I might add another layer of hardener because it hardens in some places and then just didn't in others. So
first time using a resin hardener.
Yeah, first time, so I'm not going to beat myself up about it, but I definitely might do another layer, thin layer, mixed real well, and see if that doesn't work a little bit better, but
try and get it level and stuff.
Yeah, I think it turned out cool, though.
I think so. Alright.
Yeah. There. I feel better.
I'm just getting like a